Doge just broke a key support level, and if that sounds interesting, you make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Doge analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see on Doge, we have successfully broken that 0.124 level, which I mentioned yesterday is starting to look more and more bearish because of the fact we were testing this level multiple times. I mentioned it's going to be very important for the bulls to actually try to see a bounce and a potential move above this level and retake this 0.168 for a bullish case scenario, but as of right now, we have successfully broken below that 0.124 and are currently trading below it as well. We will have to wait for the 4-hour close to see whether or not this is going to be a fake out, but if we do see a move to the downside, the next possible support level here is 0.11. Ideally, from the bullish case, we can't break below that 0.11 because if we do, this would validate the fact that we are in a bar formation and the next take profit level would be around the 0.08 level, and then look for that potential rebound. From the bullish case, of course, if we do see a bounce fake out and then a continuation, we would like to see a move above the 0.168, which acts as a very strong resistance for Doge on the daily, and then that continuation to the high side. Of course, on the lower time frames for right now on Doge, you can see that we do have that beautiful break formation. We had a bearish engulfing candle break below the exponential moving averages, and then that continuation to the downside. Right now, though, guys, we have to be very, very careful about entering a shorting position on Doge because of the fact that you can see that this level specifically has acted as a support. We want to see a candle close below, start to see a retest of this resistance, and then that continuation move to the downside on the hourly time frames for us to assume a shorting position. If we do see a fake out situation and then we have to have a bullish candle break above this resistance again and find it as support, that's going to act as a very strong bullish case scenario for the lower time frames. So we have to be very, very careful right now on Doge overall. You can see that we were in overbought territory. We actually just saw a nice pullback now, but ideally the Doge is extremely volatile. You can see that we had sort of the same situation here where we actually had a massive move above, saw that retest on support, and then another wick to the high side. That's why it's extremely dangerous to actually start shorting Doge because of the fact that every time Elon tweets, we see a massive pump on Doge. Whether or not that's going to last, obviously, for the long term is questionable, but as of right now, it is trying to move the market. So we have to be very, very careful for these algo bots to see every time Elon tweets, we see a massive move, just like we saw over here with this continuation pattern. We actually saw that move right over here once we were above that support level, and then that continuation, and this was that short squeeze we talked about, right? This is where you saw those shorts get wrecked, and then the continuation to the downside. That's why I would rather be in a long position on Doge than be in the short position, but this theory obviously would be invalidated if we broke below that 11-cent mark. This 11-cent mark is the last support level we do have from the bullish case scenario, because if we do start to retest around the 8-cent mark, things will get extremely dangerous for Doge overall. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.